quick video on scientific notation. This is all I really want you guys to know about this, that the whole purpose of scientific notation is to take an enormously large number, or a number that's extremely close to zero, and put it into a better form. For example, let's say you had a number like this. Let's say you had 131, holy macaroni. Yeah, okay, this is a big number, I think. Is this a big number? Is this a big number yet? Yes? Okay, good. Okay. And you're a mathematician, and you're going to publish this in some math journal or some medical journal, and you want to make sure that this number is not lost. So you're going to put it into this form. Here's a really, really simple example. Like if you took 153. Well, 153 is equal to 153, isn't it? But what if I took the decimal place and I moved it over 1? And I said 15.3. 15.3 times what is 153? 10. This is just a really easy example. What if I took it and I moved this over one more place and I took 1.53 times what is equal to 153? 10 to the second power. Do you see what I'm saying? Every time I move the decimal place over one place to the left, I increase this value here by a factor of 10. Right? Okay. So remember that the value of C, we're going to turn this big number right here into this. So we're going to have C times 10 to the nth power. This is what I'm saying. Yeah. I don't want the answer yet. But can we just look at this for a second? What if I do this? If I move from here, this is where the decimal point is currently, isn't it? If I move it over here, is this new number, is it greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10? Not even close. So look, I'm going to keep moving again and again and again and again and again. And again, and again, and again. I'm getting close, aren't I? And again, and again. Now it is, isn't it? Now I have the number 1.314, don't I? So I'm going to test this and see if this works. Well, what if I didn't move it over that far yet? What if I just moved it to here? What if I just moved it to here to begin with? Then I'd have 13.14. So let's test and see if C works. This is our C value right here, right? Is C greater than or equal to 1? Yes or no? Yes. But is it less than 10? No. So if that's not true, we do what? Move the decimal point over again. So I'm just keep testing and I move it over. I'm like, okay. So now we have our C value as 1.314, don't we? So 1.314 times 10 to what power? How do we figure that out? All right, I'll do the counting part, and you do the You ever see Sesame Street? Count to. Can we do that? No one's going to know who it is. They'll think you guys are cool kids anyway. I mean, they'll be wrong, but. So let's do the counting part. Ready? 1. No, seriously, loud, or I'll fail you. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 10 to the 11th power. What if we're wrong? Is this right? Somebody check it. So it is 10 to the 11th. Right? And if we multiply this, if you use your calculator and multiply this back, you'll get this number back, right? But what's really important is that in your scientific journal, it'll show up this way. And when you see that in medical journals, and when you see that in engineering journals, that's all they're doing. They're trying to save space and they're trying to create accuracy. Are you with me? So companies like World Health Organization, CDC, Center for Disease Control, and etc., they're the companies that we use that the most often. Should we do one more? Sure. You're all excited and happy now?
Yeah.
Let's do another, Mr. Lindelof. We really like it. It's terrific.
So how do you put this? This is called standard form. So standard form is what all numbers start off in. So standard form, and we want to go into scientific notation. Scientific notation. So we have
5,284,000 0, 0, 0.
Sorry. I'm just having fun. It's been a long day. How many of you can see this already? How many of you can see the C value? I can see it, I think. Tell me if you think, right? I think it's this. I think it's 5.284. Is that what you think? So I'm just going to take that because I'm going to check it for the C value. Is this number greater than or equal to 1? Yes or no? Yes. Is it less than 10? Yes. So it fits that criterion. So I'm going to write 5.284 times what? 10 to the... You want to do the counting thing?
No.
Yes, you do. No. Anybody who's watching this video, please, these guys are not cool at all. I mean, just Matt. Matt's really, really cool.
Neither is the teacher.
He went there.
No, it's cool. I'm all right. Ready? Count. 1. Thank you, Tony. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 10 to the 6. Hope this was helpful. Everybody say bye.